Hello and welcome to World of Warcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is a reminder clip for the beginner class at the Kenn Centre on the 24th of January 2023. We did a first move, a basket, a man spin and a comb. If you want teaching details for any of those moves, links to the teaching clips are in the description below, and we'll show you now how everything went together. Went like this, went 7 and 8, back in and twist out, in, under and face, 2 hands for the basket. We went back with a twist, wrap, twist, twist, turn, face, return and the man spin, catching the right for the comb, return, over the guy and out, setting you up to go back into a first move. Hope you find that useful. We'll be back next time with another reminder clip or an intermediate clip or something similar. Like, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out and find out what it is. And we'll put a music recommendation on the end in the windows that come up in the last few seconds of the video. Something nice to practice that routine to. As always, thank you for watching World of Warcraft.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.